In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu with no ads. Let's get started. To enjoy an ad-free Hulu experience, you'll need to upgrade to the Hulu open parenthesis, no ads close parenthesis plan. Start by signing in to your Hulu account at www.hulu.com. Navigate to the Manage Subscription section under your account settings. From there, select the Hulu No Ads option, which is typically priced higher than the standard plan but removes all ads during playback. If you're already subscribed, you can switch plans directly from this menu. Note that some shows and movies may still have promotional content from their creators, but you won't see traditional ads. Once upgraded, restart your app or browser to apply the changes. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy uninterrupted streaming on Hulu.